Every shower wall tile installation is going to be different depending on the components and the materials used. Today we'll show you how we tiled our shower walls with large format tiles and a Corian solid surface shower base, which is sloped down towards the front edge of the linear drain. We set the bottom row of tile and let it set up before continuing. That gave us support for placing the next rows going up the wall. This was especially important as we installed heavy 24 by 24 inch large format tiles. Here we drew a line equal to the full tile height around all three sides using a laser level. This solid surface shower base made by Encompass Shower Bases specifies that the tile be installed down over the 3-inch tall side walls, leaving a 1/8 inch gap up off the base floor to be filled with 100% silicone. We're getting that 1/8 inch gap by cutting 4-inch wide strips of 1/8 inch thick pressed hardboard and taping them down against the shower base edges to remove later after the tile's been installed. We then cut a piece of cardboard to fit in between the pressed hardboard to cover the remainder of the base to totally cover and protect the base from the messy tiling job. As mentioned, this solid surface base is sloped down from the back towards the front, then levels out about 6 inches from the front edge where the linear drain is located. Because of that, we needed to use a full tile height for the first 6 inches away from the front edge. Then we cut the tile bottoms to match the slope from that point to the back wall. This gives us a uniform gap at the bottom edge and a level edge on the top of the first row of tiles to build off of. The bottom row in the back is then cut to match the reduced height of the sides and the back corners. For installing the silicone on the shower base, we used a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch notch trowel. Applying the thin set on the walls with a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch trowel was a little tricky until we got the hang of it with the right consistency on the thin set. Back buttering the tile improves the bonding, especially with larger tiles. Using a tile leveling system saves you effort and gives you great results. Check out our previous video on tiling the floor in our bathroom remodel playlist, where we talked more about the Remodel leveling system that we used. Here we are installing the Schluter edging and placing scrap tile pieces along the edge of the first row with clips and wedges. This holds the clips in place to continue tiling the next day, as we also described in more detail in the previous video. Make sure to clean excess thin set from the grout lines and wipe any excess off your tile surfaces. It's a lot easier to do this now rather than scraping it all off later. So that's it for the shower tiling. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on upcoming videos, as we are beginning the finishing stages of our bathroom remodel. You can also check out our previous videos in our bathroom remodel playlist to see all the work that got us to this point in the remodel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.